Viluco Corporation is a company dedicated to the production, processing, and commercialization of soybeans and its byproducts. Viluco's agricultural production is developed in the provinces of Salta, Santiago del Estero, Tucumán, and Catamarca. The company explodes 26 fields distributed in 56,000 hectares. In those fields, soy, corn, winter crops such as wheat, chickpea, or peas are produced. The productive process of soy cultivation starts with a clean fallow, taking care of the main element that limits production, water. Soy cultivation is carried out through direct sowing and in dry land with high-tech machinery. Fertilization is basically phosphated, considering extraction of crops and looking for replacement of these elements to the land. Sowing is carried out during December and January, when fields recover their humidity profiles and proper conditions are met to achieve an excellent planting. During crop protection, herbicides and insecticides controlled applications are made using allowed, specific products for different checks. During harvesting, we collect production, giving priority on the use of high-technology machinery, which can monitor the yield's performance and efficiency to gather and analyze that information. This will provide us with information for next decisions to be made on fertilization. Viluco Corporation is the first Argentinian agricultural producer to obtain the Responsible Soy Certificate, globally awarded by RTRS, Roundtable of Responsible Soy Association. Viluco's industrial area is located in the industrial park in the city of Frias, Santiago del Estero province, in an area of 30 hectares. The industrial process starts in the stockpiling site with the reception of soybeans, which arrive to the site by truck or train. First, during analysis, a soybean physical chemical check is carried out to determine its quality. Then, soybeans are weighed in the scales available in the industrial area. Then, trucks go to the download area through 45-degree tilted platforms to allow the soy to fall into the transporting systems, conveyor belts, and elevating wheels. In this way, beans are transported to the pre-cleaning phase, where they are separated from impurities brought from the fields. After, soybeans are derived to the drying phase, where beans are prepared in humidity. Once dried and cleaned, beans are piled up in different storing ways, such as concrete silos, storing cells, and temporary silos. We can store up to 200,000 tons of soybeans. From the storing area, soybeans are transported to sites where the industrial process begins. This is where soybeans enter the first processing site, called seed preparation. Here, the soybeans undergo the processes of cleaning and husking. Husk is taken to pellet machines, where we obtain husk pellet. Then, soy without husk is broken, laminated, and expanded in specific equipment, transforming it into expanded soy. Necessary requirement to continue with the second processing site called extraction through solvent. In this second processing site, hexane solvent is used. It allows, handled under strict security rules, the extraction of crude oil in soybean expansion, separating it from high-pro flour, which is a high-protein product, vital input for animal food, specialty poultry farming and pig farming. 25% of its commercialization is destined to domestic market, NOA, Argentinian Northwest region, and 75% is exported, USA, Far East, Middle East, and Latin America. Balanced food. This product is destined to animal feeding. 100% of this product is exported to overseas markets. The extracted crude oil goes through aqueous degummed distillation and drying to obtain the degummed crude oil necessary to continue with the industrial process. In the aqueous degumming process, we obtain a subproduct, soy lecithin, which after going through the fifth processing site, is dried and standardized for its commercialization. The degummed crude oil obtained is taken to the third processing site, called pre-treatment or oil refining. where it reacts with phosphoric acid and caustic soda. Then it is filtered. In this way, refined oil is obtained. Refined oil is pumped to the fourth phase of the process, called transesterification, which with the aggregation of methanol and sodium methoxide is transformed through a chemical reaction in biodiesel and crude glycerin. Biodiesel. This product is used as renewable fuel. 100% of the product is destined to domestic market, oil companies, with the purpose of being mixed with gas oil. To meet the mandatory legal quote, both are stored in tanks to be dispatched and commercialized later. All our products are produced according to international rules and undergo strict quality checks carried out in our laboratory, using state-of-the-art equipment for different analysis. Natural gas is used mainly to generate steam in a boiler that can produce 60 tons per hour of it. We also generate auxiliary services such as water treatment, cooling process water, and compressed air. In operating our industrial area, we pay specific attention to staff security. We have strict procedures and checks that minimize the risk to which we are exposed. Viluco Public Limited Company is a company committed to the environment. This is why we have a modern site that is equipped with state-of-the-art technology available for the effluents treatment. We are a regional company purely, that with the setting up of the industrial area, generated an important labor impact in the city of Frias. We generated 220 direct job postings and more than 300 indirect job positions locally, which provide a growing of regional economy and adding value to the national industry. Grupo Lucci, responsible growing.